Ice cream is often considered a treat and should be consumed in moderation. It can provide some health benefits when enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. Here are some potential health benefits of ice cream. Being a mood booster, ice cream can trigger the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and happiness. Some ice creams contain added fruits and nuts that contribute to the nutritional value of the dessert. Ice cream contains essential nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, and vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These nutrients play a vital role in bone health and immune function. It is a calorie-dense food, which is a quick source of energy. The fat and protein content in ice cream helps in reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on less healthy options. Sharing ice cream with friends and family can create positive social interactions and strengthen relationships. It's crucial to keep in mind that not all ice creams are created equal. Some commercial ice creams can be high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients, which can negate potential health benefits. To make ice cream a healthier choice, you can opt for options with less added sugar, natural flavors, and fewer artificial additives. Additionally, portion control is vital to avoid excessive calorie intake. If you have dietary restrictions or health conditions such as lactose intolerance or diabetes, consider exploring alternatives like dairy-free or low-sugar ice creams made from plant-based ingredients. I hope you have got a useful information about the benefits of having healthy ice cream. If you have any queries, ask the Academist. Thank you.